What's up YouTube, it's Hip-Hop channel YTV and I'm back with another episode. 50 Cent is always on Instagram with his eye out of anyone to troll, and Thanksgiving is no different an event. Instead of finding out people to troll out there, he found the target within his house. 50 Cent joked about how the weird dish that marks the presence of Thanksgiving in his house was messed up. He blamed the destruction of the turkey on his girlfriend Cuban link. 50 Cent shared a picture of the black, clearly overcooked turkey on Instagram. He said that while she should have let the chef cook, she didn't listen to him and now they had a destroyed turkey, and you can check out the post on the screen. But perhaps 50 Cent and Cuban Link's relationship works because he is able to dish it right back. In July, the model and fitness trainer revealed 50 Cent was upset with her and chose to give her a miniature Balenciaga bag as a joke. Cuban Link then posted a since-deleted Instagram photo of the tiny pink purse sitting on top of her iPhone, which was actually bigger than the bag itself. The couple, who have been dating for over 2 years, participated in a Twitter Q&A in May and talked about their first date. The first time I went to meet her, she gave me an address and it was the restaurant. He was under the impression he had been invited to her home, but because Cuban Link didn't know him that well at the time, she wanted to take things slow. I had to make sure you were like, real? She said. You wasn't coming to my house. Also today, 50 Cent shared a more funny post on his social media page you can check out on the screen. Yeah, you can get a plate, but I'ma need my money by Monday. 50 Cent captions the post. So it was all, guys. Thank you for watching, and before I finish the video, I want to talk about one good person. His name is Galagichi. He is a beautiful black man with beautiful knowledge who offers amazing tours, and if you are interested and if you want to get more details about Galagichi, you can follow him on Instagram. You can check out the Instagram page on the screen. So thank you guys for watching. It's Hip-Hop channel YTV. If you like the videos and content, subscribe to the channel, also get the notification bells, and don't forget to visit the website hiphopty.com. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.